Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to add Twitch chat to your OBS Studio. First open your OBS Studio, then go to Setting, then go to Stream, then connect your Twitch account. After connecting, you can see Stream Chat like this. Then go to your browser, then go to own3dpro.com. Then log in using your Twitch account. After login, download OBS plugin. Click the latest one. Now install that plugin. I have already installed that. After installing, go to OBS Studio again. Then you can see on the menu bar there is Own 3D Pro option. Then go to Sources. Then click plus. Now you can see Own 3D Pro Chat option. Click there. Now click OK. Then select color code. Then click OK. This is the chat box. Let's see if this is work or not. Now write the stream chat. Write anything. Then click enter. You can see there is a hi pop-up there. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.